Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about all three colors of the limited run of the midshipman Swiss Army knife, as we have it here in front of the camera. We did three colors of this Swiss Army knife. The differences are mainly in the red A-locks on this run. It features a complete red handle. The silver logo that we had by the other runs, like this one, was replaced with a complete red logo, and that's how it looks like. On the back side we have again the engraving plate and the big cutout of the scales, the A-lock scales for the sacking needle. In this run, on the midshipman, we have the main blade, the saw blade, the marlin spike sacking needle feature, and then we have the usual opener layer with the can opener, with the small screwdriver, and the bottle opener with the big screwdriver and the wire stripper over here. So this accumulates to a 3-layer Swiss Army knife. We see on the springs the middle spring is thinner, that is where the saw blade is located. So that's the unique tool combination on the midshipman Swiss Army knife. Then the second color is gold A-locks, as we see it here with the red shield. Backside again the engraving plate. And the last color is blue A-locks with the red shield. These models were made by Victorinox for swissbianco. It's a limited edition. The midshipman is a rather rare Swiss Army knife. Was made in 2 big numbers, and these ones are quite likely the last run that will be made, because the sacking needle feature is relative sold out, and there are just few parts leftovers that we could use for make these runs happen. So quite likely these variants we see here in front of the camera will be the last ones of the midshipman A-locks Swiss Army knives.